The County Materials family of companies is grateful for the many women who work for our organization. They are changing perceptions about manufacturing careers and moving the concrete manufacturing industry forward. We are proud to share their stories.
I'm Grethel Castillo Paz and I am plant foreman. Some people think construction or concrete is difficult, but that is really easy. The goal is be better every day. Some men think the woman can't do it, but here it's not about only strong. It's about think and learning. I think in my past, if I see now, I never think I can be a boss, and I'm here. Not be scared because you think that is a man's job. It's very easy. We got it.
We believe that our team members are the key to our success, and their dedication and talents make us stronger. Our team of hardworking people are advancing their careers within our dynamic company and building stronger communities.